Meaning of headbanger.
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 Headbanger. The term headbanger typically refers to a person who enjoys listening to heavy metal music and engages in the act of headbanging, which involves violently shaking their head in time with the music. This form of dance is often associated with the metal subculture and is typically seen during live concerts. However, headbanging can also lead to health issues such as whiplash and neck injuries. Despite this, headbanging remains a popular form of expression for metal fans and continues to be associated with the genre as a whole.